Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great weekend so far, and I hope you had an amazing 4th of July holiday. I know I did. I wanted to come on quickly and share with you a few die cuts and a couple little projects I've been working on. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. Of course, I'm going to share with you the dies that I used, and then I will share with you what I've been die cutting out. So I was using these two dies that I had recently picked up, and I've also used this bow die right here, and I used some of these word dies which I've shared before in the past. I used this die set right here. I used this super cute die set. This little heart set is actually super adorable. I'm going to share with you those cut out. I used this tag die, which I've shared several times before. Just so you guys know, this tag die had been restocked on the Alina Craft site. So if you're looking for this tag, it is available now. So just wanted to put that out there as well. All right, so here are those sunglasses die cut out several times. This is actually what I did when I was at the beach. I did do some die cutting, and I die cut out all these sunglasses. So I wanted to share with you what those look like, and then I made a quick card just to share with you how super cute. I made this little sunglass card, and I saved all the little pieces that I die cut out, and I just kind of matched the different colors, and then I added some of the Michaels bling, which I've shared with you before. And I love the way that this layering looks. I used that embossed paper from Michaels, and I think it's the Poolrific line. And then on the inside, I just did some stamping, and it says "You're spectacular," super cute, and a simple summer card. So I wanted to share that with you. And then these are the hearts. I'm going to move these out of the way and just kind of put these down so you can see all of the different heart shapes that I die cut out. Really, really cute. As you can see, I kind of went crazy. I'm out of frame. But I'm loving these hearts. They're so pretty. So this is the first one, and as you can see, I added a bow and some of that Michaels bling. Really, really pretty. And then this is the one where it's just the dots around the circle and then the scalloped edge. Super cute. And then I have several of the ones that have the holes in the heart already die cut out in different colors. As you can see, the colors that I used were all the same colors that I used when I was at the beach, because I only took limited paper, but it's super pretty and I love the colors, and you can use it with a lot of different projects. So here's one in glitter, really, really pretty. And then I wanted to show you what you can do. You can make some super cute tags like this. I didn't glue anything down, but I just wanted to share with you how super cute would that be. And I love that bow die right there. Of course, check the description box below. I'll try to leave as many links as I can for the items that I'm sharing with you today. Made that one, and then here's another super cute one that I recently made. And that super cute bow die, the bling from Michaels. This is another die from my stash. Adorable. And then just another idea, you could do something like this. You could wrap this bow die around the heart and then add a sentiment, and of course you can add the bling. Really, really cute. And remember, these were the bows that I shared in that little previous video, and this right here is the die set. I didn't have the die last time I shared with you, but this is what the die set looks like. It comes with all these different these little strips to go along with the bow. I can't think right now, but you know what I mean. So really fun bow die, and you can use like on this one, I used the smaller base instead of the bigger one, so you can change the shape of the bow. So I really like that die. And then I want to share with you just a few of the ice cream cones I had made. Just going to share with you on this tag that I cut out, but super cute. I made a bunch of these at the beach, and just wanted to share with you some of these cute little ice cream cones that I made. Absolutely adorable. I absolutely love this one, and I did add some glitter to the sprinkles on that one. Really, really cute, and I did a gold ice cream base. This one looks like this, and of course I love the purple bow, and the stitch chart is absolutely adorable. And then here are a couple of more. This little ice cream cone right here. And then I've got these two right here. Really, really cute for any type of summer themed project. Here's another one using a different cutout of the face. So I really love that die right there. And then I had a few more of these ice cream cones that I die cut out. As you can see, I just kind of went ice cream cone crazy, but really, really cute, right? So I wanted to share that with you. And then here's another one of those tags. I think I shared this. I'm losing track. Super cute, but you could do that. And then you could also, you know, you can add a word sentiment if you wanted to on the bottom or something like that. So anyway, that is my project share for you today. Thanks for watching. Of course, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, of course, leave them in the description box or in your comment section below. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.